Welcome back to the Mid-Year Mitch YouTube channel. In today's episode, we're back on the yellow 67 Roadster. This episode, we're going to start out with a bare bird cage. We're going to skin it from the Firewall back to make this thing complete. So be sure to stick around. So I rearranged the garage at least 20,000 times, and now I have the Field Find split on the old Misfit chassis, and this thing looks really good on here, by the way. And I did the shuffle, moved the 67 Roadster onto the jig, and I'm just mocking up all the fiberglass. So I have the rear clip, some of the door jamb fiberglass on here. I picked out a floor pan for it. The one that goes with this rear clip is sectioned like somewhere in here, so I'm gonna have to graft a front floor onto that. Firewall on this thing was pretty cooked, so instead of trying to fix this, which I could, or if someone wants to buy it, I'll sell it to you. But I bought a brand new Firewall from Stinger. So these things fit nice. This side is missing most of the rocker. I don't think I can justify fixing this one, so I'll carefully try and remove this and put this in the keep pile. So we have a bit of a situation on this car with the floor. You can see it's missing the whole front half, and whenever they cut the car in half, they cut it in, the cut kind of ranges between 11 inches to about 10 inches because the cut's kind of all over the place. So to fix that, I have another floor section here, which you can see comes the whole way back to that bulkhead. So I think what I'm gonna do is cut this one at 9 inches from this bulkhead. That way that'll give us a little extra meat to play with. So between 2 inches to an inch of room, and I'm probably gonna overlap the floor sections, kind of glue them on that seam just so it's extra strong. I'm gonna go ahead and fix all of these little cracks. I guess they're a little more than little. Gonna fix all these cracks and splice in this other piece from another floor section. That way we have the toe board area done. So the first few patches on the floor are cured up. They were on the other side of the floor, so now I'm gonna go and grind all this area down, just that way so I get a nice blend in here. I'll put one more layer of fiberglass on the back side. It'll be super strong, but all these areas are nice and solid now. This patch turned out nice, so I'll go and blend these areas. There's just a nice contour the whole way around here. So I prepped the Firewall to get it ready to attach to the 67. I cleaned up this flange here where the floor mounts, and I also cleaned up this area where it bonds and rivets to the windshield frame. I just did that in case there's any weird little ripples or lips or any inconsistencies. Since this is hand-laid fiberglass, that way it'll lay down real nice. And then I also have the job number on here. I read it off of the rear clip. Took a while to decipher it just because it was pretty worn off. I have the underside of the floor sanded down. First I went over it with like 60 grit on a little roll-lock just to knock all the real crazy highs off. Then I went over it with 80 on the DA, and that blended it together pretty nice. The bonding adhesive is all cured up and the floor is nice and strong now. So I'm gonna go take all these screws out, grind this back, and then start adding my fiberglass pieces. I also need to cut this off or trim it down. I gotta make these two line up because these are floors from different year cars. Now that the inside of the floor is fiberglass, I'm going to pull the bird cage off. That way I can lift the rear clip up, tip the front of the floor up, and be able to fiberglass the underside of it without laying underneath the car. So this will all get painted and stuff, so this is just a rough scuff right now. But you can see it turned out real nice. So now it's time to attach the bird cage to the rear clip, and you do that by running solid aluminum rivets through the bird cage into the tub. These pieces came apart from each other, so all the holes should line right up again. A few go in this pillar across the shield, the same thing on the back, which is crazy because those rivets are mainly what holds, the back end of the car on. I mean, the floor does kind of help, the rocker helps a little bit, and the latch pillar cover that gets glued to the quarter panel, that probably does a lot of the lifting as well. So it's kind of crazy to think about when you pick these things off the frame that there's really not a lot keeping this attached to everything else. So that's something to keep in mind. Also, I thought it was weird. They only had one rivet on this side. In the factory, they drilled this one, but they drilled it too far inboard and they actually missed, and they just said, good enough. So I re-drilled it, put one here, and I also put one up higher just to give some extra support in this area. Once I lift the body off, I'll add the rest of these because the frame's currently in the way. I have to put a new rocker in on the driver. The passenger one I'm able to fix, and I had to make a repair piece there. So I'll just go ahead and graft all that back together. I had to make a little cut here just to let this relax. Same over here, which is no big deal. Just put a little cut in here. I'll clamp it or put a screw in there just to lock it down, and then I'll fiberglass over that. And they left a little extra material here, which just looks like from how they made their mold. So if you cut that off, then lets the rocker sit down in its channel. So it's probably good that they leave you a little more rather than a little less. I'm really happy with the way the floor repair and the rockers turned out. So I just had to do the same kind of thing I had to do in the Field Fine car, put a little cut in these rockers and just fiberglass over them just to extend them a little bit, but they turned out nice. I just have a couple holes to fill in this. I roughed in all the fiberglass here, just ground it off, just so it's fairly smooth and ready for insulation, carpet, and interior, all that stuff. So that side's the same stage. So this thing and the Field Fine car are pretty much at the same stage. I'm probably gonna end the video off here because I'm still waiting for the floor braces that go here. I need to rivet those on, and I'm gonna pick up the body to do all these rivets in here. So I'll just do that at the same time. So that's probably gonna be it for this thing. This thing came together pretty quick. I'm really happy with it. So whenever I go and install all the solid rivets, then I'll put on the door jamb fiberglass, mount the doors, and then this thing is ready to hit the road. In the Field Fine car, like I said, basically in the same stage. It's a little further because I have all the body rivets done, so now this thing's just ready for the fiberglass to go on the door jambs, put the doors on, do some more final fitting, get them latching. That thing's done, this thing will be done, and they'll be out of here probably before Easter. But that's gonna do it for this video. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and the next time you see this car will be when it's on my trailer heading home. So I have a lot of work to do. I'll catch you guys later.